We will now have two poses. We're going to start with the men's perspective. Let's show it without Mary for a while. Keep your back straight and now rotate your upper body counterclockwise, at the same time leading your right leg to the side, like this. Go a bit more, then back to the neutral position, and the same thing in the opposite direction. Rotate clockwise, lead your left leg to the left side, and back. To give this pose a waltz quality, we want you to lean away from the lady, starting from your chest up. So you're stretching your chest, leaning your head slightly backward, back to the neutral, and the same thing in the opposite direction. Let's do this together. And right to the side, back, left to the side, back. Let's now focus on the lady's perspective. Start by taking a tiny step with the right leg to the side. That's the entrance to this pose after the rotation. Rotate counterclockwise and reach with your left leg backward. Make sure to bend your right knee to reach further with the left leg. Tilt your upper body back as well. Rotate your head to the left, rotate your hip to the left, opening it, but keep your frame to the partner. Back to the neutral position with a small step to the left, and the same thing in the opposite direction. Make sure to keep your frame fixed, avoid moving your hand up and down. Rotate your head to the right this time, open your right hip, keep your left leg bent. Now back to the partner. Remember that your frame is supposed to be fixed and in both positions look the same, even though you're rotating in different directions. While the lady is rotating her head to the audience, man is looking at her all the time. Just make sure to keep your chin up, stretching your chest and leading your head up and back. And the same thing goes for the lady. Stretch your chest, tilt your head back and keep your spine long to create a nice shape. And 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3,